Hello and welcome to Take Time to Create. My name is Linda and today we are going to work on this box. We are going to paint this box and we are going to decorate the top of this box. I don't know where I got it. It's an unfinished box. Any box will do if you have one. Sometimes packaging will work. Sometimes like an old cigar box will work. Anything will work. I mean, really the sky's the limit. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to paint it. I have two colors. I've got Deco Art, Festive Green, and Crystal Green. It's what I had in my stash. Use what you have. I'm going to start with the light green first. And I'm just gonna, there we go, pour a pile in my fancy dancy paint tray, which is, you know, a paper plate. What I always use, and I use it till it can no longer be used anymore. And I'm just gonna paint it. Off we go. Paint the whole thing, top, bottom. If you wanna paint the insides, you can. I'm not going to worry about that. This is an unfinished kind of rough wood on the inside. I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm just going to leave it and off we go. And this is a really pretty green. Look at that shimmer. All right, so I'm gonna paint. All of this is first green, and then I'm gonna come back and kind of do a brush on highlight with the darker green. But let's get this one done first, and let's get moving. Okay, so it's all green. It's all this festive green color. Now what I want to do is take this crystal green color and we're going to dry brush over everything and just give a little bit of dimension before we start adding on the other stuff that we're gonna add on to it. So just take a little bit, you're gonna dip it into your paint and then kind of brush off a little bit. And then we're just going to lightly take it and just kind of swipe it over the top. Just dry brush it on, just like that. Spread it around. We want to be able to see the light green underneath. You want to see the light green still underneath. You don't need a ton on your brush. And yeah, there you go. We're going to do this on the top and on all the sides. And then we'll get ready to decorate the top. If you feel like you're getting too much on there and it's still slightly wet, just take a baby wipe and just kind of wipe off a little bit. You think, oh, I put too much on. Just wipe off a little bit. It'll take off what you don't want. And that's why you want to work in sections while it's still wet to get what you're looking for and the level of paint that you want on it. And there we go. Look how cool that looks. Okay, let me finish the whole box and I'll be right back. Okay, so our box is all painted. The two shades of green, and the lid is painted, and we're ready to decorate it now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to hot glue some Christmas on here because, well, 'tis the season to start getting ready. I just have stuff from the Dollar Tree, and I am using this hot glue gun. It's new to me. I just received this in exchange for my honest opinion, and it's from Tool Amp, and they provide a variety of woodworking tools and accessories, which you can buy the same quality product from the famous brands at a relatively low price online at their website. So I will put that in the link down below. I do like that it has a little on-off switch right here. It's one of the mini glue guns, so it's nice and light to use. We're gonna try it out with this, and we're just gonna go into town and just start gluing. Since everything came from the Dollar Tree, it's not gonna require a lot of glue to hold it down just like that. It's gonna be just fine. All right, so we're gonna put these big flowers, poinsettias right here. These had clips on the back and I just cut the clips off because I didn't need to attach them to anything other than just glue them on here. And we're gonna put 3 little poinsettias around. I have to say this glue gun is very lightweight, which I love, so that means I can glue for a long time. And I love that it has this precision nozzle on it. So honest opinion is I really like this glue gun. I don't have to squeeze really hard on the trigger, which is nice as well. You know, my hands get tired after a while. So I'm happy with that. Look how quick that went. That went very quick. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's really cute. But I'm feeling like we need more. So rhinestones around the edge. What do you guys think? I'm feeling like we can't have enough rhinestones. So I just have a package, Dollar Tree once again, and I'm just gonna pull it off like this. So I've got it on the box and I attached it like this so that it's a little easier to work with. It does have adhesive on the back. I think it's gonna be enough. Oh yeah. Look at that. Okay. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Cute little box. We are all done. Is that not just the most adorable little box? And that's what the edges look like. I think this is perfect. You can put a gift in it. Great for a gift card or, you know, a little present inside or whatever you want to do, or just decor if you want to just put this out. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time.